today's video is going to be a candy cane Frenchie set. I've just been into everything French tips, so that's what I've just been doing, a lot of different variations of French tips. But this tutorial in particular I'm really happy about because I think it's really good for beginners or people who need help with drawing French tips. I cannot remember who I got this technique from. I think I got it from Shay Nailed It. She also does Polygel nails on YouTube. But basically, it's kind of easier to do a French tip when you start from each corner and just kind of draw diagonal lines across and then round out the middle. As well as make sure you turn your finger straight. Like, make sure you're viewing it from the very top if you're looking down at your own nails. That way you make sure you don't do it crooked. Because on my ring finger, I started doing it crooked, so I had to keep turning my finger to view it as if I'm looking at the top of my nail so that I can round it out properly. Because if I did not do that, it would have been real crooked. So just a tip when you guys are attempting this method. And the nail art brush is from Beetles. It came in a set from Amazon. And that is a red polish from Model Ones that also came in a kit as well. And I only used one coat of polish, red polish. It was very nice and opaque, and I really like that. And it was beneficial for doing French tips because if you put too much or too thick of a layer of gel polish, sometimes even two coats can like really mess up your shape, and you might have to foul the sides. And I hate the look of fouling the sides when you already put the gel polish on. It's like you can see the scuffed up sides, and it really annoys me. So I just try to avoid that. But that's all I wanted to say. I'll let you guys watch me do the rest of them. Okay, y'all, I lied real quick. I just was thinking that somebody might be wondering, how do I know where to start drawing my line? That kind of depends on how you want your nail bed to be. Some people like deep French, meaning the nail bed goes further down the tip of the nail, so the French tip itself would be shorter and the nude color would be expanded, it would be longer. I kind of like a even ratio of like a half. I like to see enough color on my tip, but I also like enough of the nude color to be exposed to be enough of the nail bed. If you're not sure which one you like, just kind of Pinterest or Google some French tip photos and see if you like a deep French or regular type of French tip, like that one that's not deep, and kind of eyeball or imagine where you like your French tip to start. That's a good way to figure out where to draw the line. So it's personal preference. Hey you guys, I'm back again. A lot of this tutorial is kind of like self-explanatory. You know, it's like really good. It doesn't need a lot of explanation. Kind of really get the gist of what I'm doing from just watching. But I just want to come on and comment that a lot of the polishes I'm using in this video is either Beetles or Model 1, and I'm gonna try my best. I mean, my hardest, like really to find what I used. But I wanted to come on here and comment about this white polish because this white polish, I'm not sure when I got this from Amazon if it was filled all the way up to the top, because it doesn't seem to have as much polish inside as my other colors, like my black and stuff like that, because it's like a gel polish striping set that's like in a pack of 6 that came with like pink, white, black, silver, and gold. And this white was just kind of like acting old and kind of sticky. So later on in the video you see me like shake it up, but that's why. That was the only thing I think I did not like about this white. But also I wanted to mention that on the tips, if you notice, some tips have more lines than others, as well as on those tips some of the lines are thin and some of the lines are thick, you know, just like to mimic somewhat of a candy cane. As well as I was just striping honestly until I think it looked good. So it's kind of up to you how many lines you want to put on your French tip. But yeah, it wasn't too much thought into it. It was honestly just something that popped into my head to do once I saw the white polish sitting on my desk. So I was like, oh, that'll be cute. But that's all I wanted to say.